Hey everyone, Josh here with Skid Pro Attachments. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at our heavy-duty snow blade. Whether residential, heavy rural, or commercial use, if you have a need to blade snow in a hurry, the Skid Pro Snow Blade is a top-notch tool to get more done in less time with the added versatility only Skid Pro can bring you. No other skid loader blade offers the durability or versatility that our heavy-duty snow blade does. Plus, the Skid Pro Snow Blade may have settled the age-old question of snow blade or snow pusher, but more on that in a bit. Skid Pro has staked its reputation on building attachments that stand the test of time. We start with a heavy-duty build, and then we laser in on the little things that will improve the experience of owning a Skid Pro attachment. And that is precisely what we did with our latest generation snow blade. Let's talk design and construction, starting with the sturdy 34-inch tall cold rolled steel moldboard. The Skid Pro snow blade perfectly balances strength, weight, visibility, and capacity. This is all made possible by our cold rolled steel moldboard, which in our opinion is the best way a snow blade is made. Here are the two main advantages of cold rolled steel. First, maneuverability and control are key to snow blade functionality. Cold rolled steel delivers a durable design without any unnecessary weight, producing a versatile and nimble blade. Second, and most importantly, cold rolled steel delivers a deeper dish, smoother moldboard. This aggressive curve creates a rolling or churning effect, allowing you to move more snow with less horsepower than a blade that utilizes a bent steel moldboard design. The fully gusseted moldboard we already know is tough, but tough alone doesn't always mean functional. Our engineers found that a 34-inch height and 40 inches of total curve cold rolled steel maximizes snow moving volume while maintaining enough visibility to accomplish your job safely and efficiently. The moldboard has a few degrees of built-in oscillation, granting the blade the ability to follow the contour of the ground with only moderate down pressure. This is a critical, though often overlooked aspect. Rounding out the moldboard design is a beefy 6-inch by 9/16 high carbon steel, reversible, replaceable cutting edge. This is the portion of the blade that sees the most abrasion, so we gave an added margin of strength and longevity. Moving on to the rigid frame design, the heavy-duty triangular semi-boxed frame is heavily gusseted and reinforced throughout with 1/4-inch gussets and triangular vertical stiffeners. These stiffeners run from the top of the QT plate down to the triangular frame, tying all points of the design together for added rigidity and strength. At the front of the triangular shaped frame sits a 1 1/8-inch pivot pin which connects the moldboard frame to the main body. This pin takes the brunt of the force of the blade, so we over-deliver on pin size. On either side of the pivot pin, you will find dual 2 1/4 heavy-duty cylinders that control the angle of the blade during operation. The cylinders are attached to the moldboard and main body frame via robust 3/4-inch pins. This brings us to the trip system. If you have ever run a snow blade, you know how essential an efficient blade trip system is. Especially in deep snow, that curb can come out of nowhere, and if your blade fails to trip, you can easily damage your blade or worse. We truly believe we have one of the best systems on the market, and here's why. First, a key to the proficiency of a snowblade trip system is how low the frame sits. The low frame means that the pins the trip system rotates on can be closer to the ground. This low fulcrum means that the blade is top heavy and will trip easier and faster when it encounters an obstacle. Second, the trip system can also be adjusted to your needs via altering tension on the 4 17-inch trip springs, making it highly versatile and perfect for operators from expert to beginner. Now, the keen-eyed among you will notice the 2 red-handled pins secured to the top of the blade. These pins can be used to lock in the moldboard. This would be done under a couple of circumstances. In transit, if there is a longer, bumpier drive between removal locations, or light material and above ground grading. Yes, the blade is built heavy enough to be utilized in this way, but it does require care and thought when running behind a large skid loader. Skid Pro's attention to detail means that we don't forget the little things that make your life easier and safer, like the 2 extra large 7 by 3 inch safety steps with aggressive tread for easy cab exit and entrance with boots. And don't forget, Skid Pro boasts some of the largest high flotation skid shoes in the industry. The oversized 6-inch shoes are easily adjustable and help that blade float over any condition. Remember earlier in the video when we talked about the snow pusher versus snowblade dilemma? Well, this is where the magic of the Skid Pro snowblade reveals its greatest innovation. Our snowblade comes with an optional folding wing kit, which gives the blade near instant versatility of a snow pusher. Now, other companies have wing kits, but none make the switch as easy as we do, nor are the wings as deep as ours. When not in use, these 24-inch deep wings swing back and out of the way and are secured with a simple single pin design. And when you want to use them, it is 1 pin and 1 bar per side, and you're off to the races. Quick note, due to the shorter overall width and clearance, the 72-inch cannot store the wings on the blade. Like everything else on this snowblade, our wings are built to last. At 24 inches deep, with an extra 1/2 inch inlay on the outside of the wing for added strength and rigidity, they are the biggest, strongest wings on the market. Our rods and rod storage rack were built with convenience and durability in mind, making the conversion process even easier and faster with all the hardware conveniently located on the snowblade, so you'll never wonder where you last put them. The Skid Pro snowblade's versatility makes clearing snow easy and enjoyable. No matter what you have in store for this blade, we have built it tough for years of snow moving work. With this snowblade, our motto rings true: better products, better service, happier customers. To learn more about this or any one of our attachments, call a product guru today at 877-378-4642 or visit us online at skidpro.com.